The iPhone 13 Pro Max is what happens when you get practically everything you could want in a phone. The premium flagship packs a 120Hz refresh rate display, the fastest performance of any handset and epic battery life. But it's the iPhone 13 Pro Max cameras that put this phone over the top. As they are the best I have tested on a phone so far. You can shoot cinematic mode videos with a compelling bokeh effect, choose your own photographic styles, and take super close-up shots with a new macro mode that leverages the ultra-wide camera. The iPhone 13 Pro Max's camera bump is definitely more prominent this time around thanks to the larger sensors, and the overall design is heftier than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. But I do like that the notch on the 6.7-inch display is smaller. Check out our iPhone 13 Pro review if you want all the same features in a more compact and slightly less expensive phone in our next video. If you are looking for something more affordable and don't need a telephoto lens or 120Hz display, check out our iPhone 13 review and iPhone 13 mini review available on previous videos. I will share the link. While I wish Apple offered faster charging and Touch ID, as you will see in my full iPhone 13 Pro Max review later on, this is the best iPhone and best iPhone period. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is available to buy right now. On the other side of the Atlantic in the US or in India, if you have plenty of money to burn and want a lot of storage, then the 1TB iPhone 13 Pro will cost around 1,70,000 or perhaps 1,80,000, depends upon whether you can procure it. Note that you can save on the iPhone 13 Pro Max if you trade in your old iPhone or other phone. This offer is available on online platforms, also in offline platforms. The iPhone 13 Pro Max retains the flat edges of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but looks a bit different. For one, the camera array is larger than before. Thanks for